Yes guys, beautiful sunrise at Libakaw Aklan River. It's a beautiful day. Enjoy your life today because yesterday had gone and tomorrow may never come. Yes guys, good morning.
Libakaw morning sun. Actually maulap lang guys, kaya hindi makita yung araw. Ano? May reflection no? The reflection sa river. Bahay dun sa kabila. So ito. Meron din. Anong huli siguro ng isda yung guys. So. Ganda guys. So. This water from the mountains of Aklan. Actually guys, dito kami sa Libakaw, town proper ng Libakaw. Tama guys, ang galing mo no. Water stream. Lakas ng agos guys oh. Pansin mo to guys oh, yung mga tampak ng bato, the stones yan. Yan ang mga stone. Ganda. Ganda ng mga stones oh. Mahal to sa Maynila guys, mga bato na ito. Hence that stream.
Yes guys, the sun light up the sky at Libakaw Aklan River. Yes, each morning is the start of a new beginning. It's another opportunity to embrace the day, a new chance to make a change with open arms and set out on a new journey. Yeah. Whoa, beautiful mountain ranges. Nice.
Ganda. Foggy, yun, may fog. Ang pilis ng daloy guys, ayun oh. Narinig yung sound. As you can see oh. Water stream yan, Libakaw River. Dito kahapon guys duman yung parade yan. Within the area na ito, yung river na yan dyan, sa kabila na yan dyan. Grabe, ganda. Yan yung mga float kahapon guys, andun no. Dulo. Kasi ito ngayong bayan, dyan yung pinaka-end eh. Mountain ranges. Guys, bye guys. Thank you people. Good morning. Bye.